Shit, look at this beautiful rice. I come closer. Baby, come closer. I'll eat some for you, eh? Blood. Blood, this is live right here.
Castro again, no fiction, baby, Jack, baby.
Hey,
yeah, you are doing the video.
I don't be no dear.
Jump, jump,
Ah,
whenever call no, no, that's where you're back on, no.
hey, whenever call no, no. As I'm wondering, what you do?
Baby, baby, you done make my mind just got down.
Ghana girl, say, waffle, ha.
I did that, tomorrow.
Linda,
Barbara, Monica, Jessica, Pamela, Sarah,
Deborah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty. It's been a minute. I've been sitting here just waiting. I've been waiting, just waiting and waiting. No one's come to watch my video. Don't know what else to do. I thought the world had come to an end. Oh my days, one time, yeah, I woke up in the morning and the house was so still. I've got a lot of people in my house, so it's like always noisy. And I woke up this, I think it was a Saturday morning, and everything was just deep. It was just so quiet. And I'm like, hey, has the world come to an end? So I said a little prayer. I'm like, Father Lord, I've not been bad, not bad enough. And then I'm like, okay, let me go upstairs, because if my dad is there, the world cannot be an end, because he's going places. You know what I'm saying? So I went upstairs and my dad wasn't there. I had to just beat him like a cockroach. So then I call him on the phone. It rings like 3 times first. I'm like, hey, Father. But I look outside my window and it look normal. I'm like, if the world had raptured, there'll be people, body here, something here. I don't know what I'm imagining, but it has to be more scarier than just the wind blowing outside. But then I called him and then he picked up. I'm like, oh, I'm just checking how you're doing. And I'm like, I thought the world had ended. What world are we living in? You know the world is going to end when now Bruce Jenner is... The thing is, when will we ever stop? Because me, I might wake up one day and say, hey, ever since I was the age of 2, Mita, I always wanted to be an eagle. So Mita, I want to cut off my hands and put eagles. Like, when will the cycle stop? Because now we all, oh, Mita, I want to have red eyes now. Me too. My nose has to be a chicken's feet. I want to change. Like, we'll just be happy with how God made you. Because now you're just saying that God made a mistake. That's what it is. So be happy, alright? So I didn't. Nah, you know the world is gonna end. When I'm trying to fill in a job application form, and in the gender section, it asks me if I'm male, if I'm female, or other. What else could you be? What else could you be? Male, female, my brother, Anyways, guys, this is not really a proper video. It's just to check in with you to see how you guys are doing. Hello, you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Can you like put on a top or something? Like, don't be disrespectful. See people watching my videos topless. Watch your life. I'm alive. I'm well. It's nothing wrong with me. I've just been lazy, basically. Like, and then I had a job. And then I quit the job. I don't know how you people do this 9-to-5 lifestyle. I don't know, man. I just felt depressed. Like, I don't know how you do. Oh, Father. Someone needs to, like, rescue me. And, you know, take me to the promised land, because I can't do this anymore. I'm telling you that I'm gonna start making videos now, and I think I'm gonna have a day. I'm gonna do it on Thursdays. If I do more than that day, cool, but I'm gonna stick to Thursdays, not Sundays, because Sunday we know it's Patricia Bride's day. I feel sorry. I don't feel sorry, but like whenever I see on Sundays, because I think Patricia and Shirley upload on Sundays, so I'm like, do not be uploading on Sunday. You're not gonna get no views. Like, it doesn't matter what Patricia uploads, even if she's talking about how to walk down the street or she's reviewing her blankets in her house, we'll still watch it because it's Patricia. You know, it's just one of those things. So, and I also wanted to give out a few shout outs. First of all, butterfly kisses. Oh my days, this lady, she gives me so much love on Instagram. She like takes screenshots of my videos and puts it on her wall. She butterfly kisses. I know you are important to me. Check our channel out. I'll leave it down below. And also now, I don't know, maybe because I've got more subscribers, I'm able to see who, it's called fans, but it just means like who has been engaging on your channel the most. Number 1 on my list of Naturally Me, Naturally You. Number 2, this girl, I call her like my homie on YouTube because she is like, not only does she find me on my channel, but she finds me when I comment. Let's see if I comment on a music video by Sarko here, she'll be like, hey Deborah. Whenever I comment on someone, like, she literally finds me everywhere. Her name is Priscilla Darko. Hey Priscilla, I hope you're fine. Next, my chick of chicks, she's number 3 on this, Flairelle. I've not been on here, oh my gosh. Like, I have people on YouTube that, like, it doesn't matter what they post or whatever, I would always just comment, like, because those are my people and they support me. So I I need to support them. It's just one of those things you give and you take kind of on YouTube. So Flairelle, hey. Of course, Cutie Pie 101566, also known as Mayma, hey. And finally, who else but NaturallyYem, my ride or die chick in the black chicken, yeah. So if you want to be on my good books, then you need to be engaging in my stuff. Also, I really need help with the tree lesson, guys. Honestly, not a day goes past without me getting a comment or some sort of statement of me to do another tree lesson video. But let me know what you want to see, because I feel like I put so much in my first video. Like, that video could have been 3 videos, but I just put so much in it that I'm like, what again? I can do numbers, obviously. And then someone asked for me to do like the days of the week and how it corresponds with the name. So like Friday, Efia, Kofi, I can do that. But like, that's not enough for one video, is it? But let me know what you want to see. Do you want to know conversations or specific words or something like that, so I can incorporate it in it, so it's actually like makes sense. Oh father, what have I got myself into? I also had my graduation ball about a week ago. No, literally it was about a week ago. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you've probably seen some of the pictures. Goldcoastdebuty. Girl, follow me there. I actually had an interview with an artist called Icie who came to Glasgow a few days ago for an event called Bish Bash Bosh. Like, I'm trying to get into like TV production, presenting, hosting kind of thing. So like, whenever I get a chance to interview anyone, I just like literally take it.
It's like the lack of money be the root of all evil. So I guess the hunger to survive lies in all people. Money makes you smile when you ain't got nothing. When you ain't got nothing, that's when you start plotting. Money makes a poor man's dreams materialize, and at the same time could be a rich man's demise. So what do we do? Embrace poverty or crave a Lambo? Lord, please don't give me more than my heart can handle.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Boom!
Welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and today I am with Icie, who's a UK rapper. He came down for Bish Bash Bosh weekend.
Is that right? Bish Bash Bosh?
Bish Bash Bosh.
You sure it's not the other way around?
No.
Bish Bash
Bosh weekend.
Yeah.
Cool. And I'm really curious, how did you come up with the name Icie? It sounds like...
It's literally from the song Amazing Grace.
Okay.
So Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound, who saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now
I see.
All right.
I see.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But I just spell it differently. Just
And when I say like Icie, how would you describe yourself as an artist? Like the music you kind of, what would you?
Honest and passionate.
Okay.
Honest and passionate. So the things I write about, I'm quite vulnerable. So if you listen to the music a lot, you can hear either some mistakes I've made or things I've observed, and I try and put that in the music.
I heard you also have an EP coming out.
Boom, 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 boom,
What's
boom,
it called?
boom, boom.
What's it called?
So it's called The Phoenix.
Okay.
It's out 31st of July.
So where can they all find you?
Me, you can find me on every single social media, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, on Twitter, on ICIE Music.
I'll put it on the screen, guys, so you can direct link to it.
ICIE
Music. Alright guys, so that's it. That's just a really quick check-in with you guys. I didn't want to start making my regular videos without saying hi, since I've been gone for so long, you know. So yeah, hope you guys are fine. Hi to all my new subscribers. See my face just looking beautiful like that. Open up. Pa. That's all.
It's rough and smooth.